Let's face it, many Canva applications seem not so useful and don't always deliver, but some are real game changers. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 must-have apps for every Canva designer, complete with tutorials for each. Stick around for the last one. It's what I used to create this thumbnail. Let's dive in. Number 1, TypeCraft app. Let's explore how to create this image using TypeCraft app by creating a typography design. First, open Canva and start a new design. I'm using an Instagram post. Place your desired image. In this example, I'm going to use mango. In the apps section, search for TypeCraft. Type your text, choose a color. Choose your font style. Now resize it. Make sure to rotate it properly. Click on Add to Design. Repeat this process until the word fits perfectly. This is how normal people will teach you. Let me show you how you take this design one step further. Duplicate the page. You only need to delete the main image from the duplicate page and keep the text. Now place rectangle shape and bring it to the front. Resize it in a proper order. Duplicate the page and make sure you delete only image, not the text. Now download the image and re-upload it. Place the downloaded image into main image and remove its background. Go to Dutona Cherry and make highlight color white. Now adjust the final image as per you want. Okay, here is our final TypeCraft image. Did you like it? Number 2, bulk create. This is one of the most underrated app in Canva. Out of many possibilities, we will create this quiz video. Create new design. Then select motion background and start designing quiz format. You can use pre-built template as well. You can follow along with any design you want. Use different kind of shape tools to make a quiz video proper. Here is my final quiz video design. Now go to apps and search for bulk create. You can upload your CSV file by clicking on Upload Data. To import the data from Google Sheets, go to File, then click on Download, then select Download as CSV. But for this example, I'm going to put the data manually. Go to Google Sheets, copy the data, and paste the data in Canva, and look something like this. Click on Done. Then right-click your text, select Connect Data, choose your data and hit Continue. Similarly, follow the same process for other option. After finishing the process, click on Generate the data. Canva will generate a page for each second. Adjust the duration of pages. Well done, you are a fast learner. Number 3, Easy Reflection. The Easy Reflections app is perfect for creating realistic reflections in Canva. Place your main subject image in the center of the canvas. In the Apps section, search for Easy Reflections. Select your image and click Create Reflection. Adjust the settings, position the reflection, resize it, and add a night sky image, then reposition it. So it's on the top half of the frame. Then go to Layers and send it to backward. Select the Easy Reflections app again. And this time set the offset to 1%. Resize the image. Use grid lines to enhance the design, adjusting transparency and positions as needed. Use different kind of shapes, lines, grid technology to make the proper animation generation. Now let's push our design furthermore. Click on Blank Page and select Background Color to Black. Input the text and select your desired font. download the file, make sure you select transparent background, re-upload it. And again use easy reflection. And set offset to 1. Now download and re-upload the file then. Go to Layers, send it backward. Not bad, you are still doing great job. Number 4, Magic Media. This is one of the most powerful AI tools in Canva. Okay, first you need to choose a design in Canva then. In the Apps section, search for Magic Media. Here you can generate image by giving simple command within Canva app, with different styles to choose such as watercolor, dreamy, hand-drawn. If you are not satisfied, click on 3 dots and select Generate More like this. I have created a separate video on this, make sure to check it. Number 5, Speed Painter. Ever wonder how YouTubers create this kind of animated video? I'm going to use my existing design. You can follow along with any design. In the Apps section, search for Speed Painter. Click on Choose File and select the existing file from Canvas. Select Sketch Duration and Color Fill. Duration time according to length of your clip. Just click on Generate. Now click on Add to Design. And adjust the layer and voiceover as per you want. To enhance the story, I have used some transition which you can check in my other videos. Number 6, Frame Maker. This app is used to make custom frame. Upload your own images to make a proper thumbnails according to your design. This app will be effective while creating mock-ups or thumbnails. Number 7, Skew Image. Finally, we are going to make thumbnail using Skew Image and easy reflection. Create a new design with YouTube thumbnail crop. Add a grid image as the background. Search for line grid technology. Now to match the color of Canva, go to Edit Image, adjust to Hue. Now search for Canva icon. Go to Apps, Easy Reflection, and create reflection. To give a depth effect, search for glow. Select layers and send it to backwards. Upload all the images. In the Apps section, search for Skew Image. Adjust the skew settings for each icon. And click Add to Design.
Life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5, 10-year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second.
And here is your final result. If you like our video, make sure you check our other videos as well.